How to fix PayPal payment on hold. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your PayPal payment is on hold. So it's quite easy. Let's just get right into it. First, you need to understand why this happens. So PayPal puts payment on hold to make sure that your transactions are legitimate, and it's also to protect both buyer and seller. So it typically happens when new accounts with large transfers or unverified profiles. So the first thing you need to do is go over to Pay. So I'll just continue on with my web browser, and you need to verify your delivery. So you can go to the activity and select your payments option. Let me just quickly log into my account first. So from here, you can tap on the three dots at the top left and then tap on the activity tab. Here you need to select your payment that is pending, and you can add a tracking info and choose a carrier and tracking number, or it also marks the order process if it's a service as well. Once your buyer confirms your delivery, your PayPal releases funds within 24 hours. I don't have any transactions yet, but if your transactions is here that's on hold, you just need to do that. Then you can also ask the buyer to confirm your receipt. So from here, your buyer can easily find the receipt right over here, and you can just confirm the receipt, and this will instantly release your fund to your account. You also need to link and verify your bank account, card, and email. So you can do that by going back over here, go over to link a card. And then from here, all you have to do is add your card information and then tap on link and verify your email and phone number as well. You can also complete your profile and business info. So verified users will have fewer holds. So as you can see here, you need to submit your info to access your funds. So let's just tap on it, verify all of your details here, and you're good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.